Hello, myself Lakshman. Today we are going to discuss the Java new topic or Java new OOPS concept that is abstraction and encapsulation. Firstly, we discuss the abstraction in Java. This is the firstly OOPS concept. Abstraction is to hide the internal implementation and only show the feature or the set of offer which is helpful to the user. Why we hide the internal implementation of the code? Because of the security purpose. In case of the security purpose, the internal data is hide from the user, and this concept is in Java called as abstraction. In real world example of the abstraction is to use a phone pay. We make a one transaction with xyz person, then we go through the some steps. Steps number 1, we open the phone pay and then we log in and then enter amount, and then after entering the amount we enter a pin, then transaction is proceed. In this phone pay transaction only show the offers or features of phone pay. There is not show the any implementation of the phone pay, how to work the password matching or any other features. Only show the features, not a implementation of a phone pay. This is called as a abstraction. It is only for the security purpose. Abstraction in Java we achieve in a two way. Number 1, abstract class by using the abstract class, and number 2, by using the interface. In case of the abstract class, we achieve the implementation or abstraction 0 to 100%. Because of in abstract class we define a abstract as well as non-abstract method. Abstract method is not abstract method. Which method is called as abstract method? When the body of the method is not present, or declaration or definition of the body is not written, only the declaration is written, then this concept is called as a abstract method or in case abstract class. We achieve the abstraction by using the abstract class, abstract method 0 to 100%. But in case of the interface we achieve the abstraction 100%. To achieve the abstraction 100% by using the interface, it means in an interface there only a implementation of the method, that is abstract method, only the declaration, not the definition given in a interface. That's why it is achieve the 100% abstraction. Now we go through the second type, that is second part of the discussion, that is encapsulation. Encapsulation, the definition of encapsulation is in Java the mechanism of wrapping a data and acting on a data into a single unit is called as a encapsulation. The real world example is capsule, tablet or capsule. It is the real example of encapsulation. It means we bound or we group the medicine in a single unit, then it is called as the encapsulation. Or second example of encapsulation is a car engine. car engine is hiding from the driver. It is an implementation of the engine is not, but actually working of the engine is hiding from the driver. To achieve the encapsulation in Java by the two ways. In a class, I have some variable, and this variable is make as a private. Then we achieve the encapsulation by making a variable as a private. Then data should be hide, or the scope of this variable only within this class when it is declared. Then this is achieve the encapsulation. We make a variable as a private. In second, by achieving the encapsulation, we use a getter and setter method in our program or in our class. This is all about discussion of encapsulation and abstraction in Java. Abstraction is used for the security purpose, and encapsulation is used to bind the data and data acting data into the single unit. This purpose used encapsulation. Thank you.